We got it strapped in the bed in case we get stuck. And we're gonna try to hit this bigger one. I think we'll get through it. Oh, feather it a little bit. We sucked in some water. We're not stuck. Alright, before you get stuck, I would just put it in place and just let it try to catch itself back up. Something's getting wet. I think we sucked in a little water.
I think the exhaust is too far.
Too far down. I think we can make it out of here. We just gotta get the truck to get the water out of it.
Try it?
Yep.
Ready?
Yep.
I'll put it first.
Oh yeah, she got it. Like a champ.
What are we?
We freaking got it.
We hit Red Bull real hardcore.
We got it though.
Dude, that's not even it. Show it in neutral. There you go. See, put it in neutral. There's his belt squeaking. These guys are watching. It ain't through it though.